Hello everyone! In this video, we will see how to remove a background in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to Adobe Premiere Pro and open it. As you can see, I have already opened it on my PC. To start the process, let's navigate to the Media tab and double-click to open the media library. Select the files and click on the Open button. Once the selected files are imported into the Media tab, drag them onto the track and it will create a new sequence. Now, background removal is very easy in Adobe Premiere Pro. Simply navigate to the Effects panel and search for Color Key. Once you get the result, drag it onto the video on the track. Next, open the Effects Control panel from the top left side and find the Color Key effect. Select the color picker, and in the Video tab, click on the background you want to remove. Then, adjust the color tolerance value until the background is removed. If needed, you can change the edge feather value to smooth the edges. After that, add a new background to the track. Adjust the video position and background length on the tracks to match your needs. Now, let's have a preview. And that's it. This is how you can remove a background in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.